Okay, so this is my bird farm. Here's where we have our five, six chickens and a duck. The water's dirty because the duck likes to get in it. So, yeah. And here's where they roost, and then once they start nesting, that's what this area up here is gonna be for. We're also gonna introduce like little steps and swings for them eventually. Black bean, that's black bean. That's Peanut. That's Silky. That's the duck without a name. That's Miss Frizzle, and then that's Chickpea over there. Let's see. Oh, and then the duck pond is over here, little kiddie pool. And then here is where we keep the flying birds and the quails. So I have 5 quails. They are not named except for him. His name is Bobby. There's a quail back there hiding. I have 4 doves. 4 doves. There's 2. The pigeon is in there, and I have 2 pigeons. And they're both laying eggs right now, so that's where the female dove lays, but the pigeons are very territorial. I think there's an egg in there somewhere. Yeah, there's an egg. These ones lay eggs every day, the quails. There's one over there. But they usually lay in here. We have a lot of hiding spots for them. So, yeah. Food, water. There. Up there. And sometimes they like to sleep up here. We also have sprinklers for when it gets hot, or misters that are attached to both enclosures. And then we have some herbs over here and plants that we feed them, except for the tomatoes. So that's our little section for our bird section. So yeah.